Welcome to Cadillac Feature Highlights for 1982. There are 6 subjects covered in this presentation, which you can elect to view all at once or one at a time in the sequence desired. The 6 subjects include the electronic climate control system, the garage door opener, UniRoyal puncture sealing road tires, the touring suspension package that is available on Eldorado and Seville only, memory seat, and Eldorado Touring Coupe, a very special edition Eldorado. Now, let's begin with feature number 1. The Cadillac Electronic Climate Control System provides Cadillac drivers and passengers with a system that accurately maintains the temperature desired. It is standard on all 1982 Cadillacs except Cimarron and commercial chassis. Controls for the ECC system are grouped together on one control panel, positioned for ease of viewing and operation by either the driver or front seat passengers. A feature that is new in 1982 and standard equipment on all Cadillacs with electronic climate control except the commercial chassis and Fleetwood limousine is the outside temperature feature. This is controlled by the outside temp button on the upper right. When this button is depressed, the current outside temperature is displayed. Press it again, or any other ECC button except rear defog, and the display returns to the previously set interior temperature setting. As a result of adding this new feature, the warmer button is located above the cooler button on the upper left. These are used to raise or lower in 1 degree steps the desired temperature setting. The highest setting is 90 degrees Fahrenheit, at which the system remains on maximum heat continuously. The lowest setting is 60 degrees Fahrenheit. At this setting, the system remains on maximum cool continuously. The lowest controlled setting is 65 degrees and the highest 85 degrees. The ECC system is designed to automatically maintain these and any temperatures in between that you may have selected. It continually adjusts to maintain your desired environment. The remaining controls are for function or mode selection, and each has an indicator light above it, which illuminates when the system is in that mode. In off, the entire system is turned completely off. In auto, the system is fully automatic, including the adjustment of blower speed. Low is auto, with blower speed kept at low. In high, the blower is operating at high speed. Econ adds to efficiency by operating the system with the air conditioner compressor off. It brings in outside air and has the ability only to heat, not cool this air. There is also a switch for the defroster and, if so equipped, a switch for the available rear window defogger. There is a very good example of the consideration the system provides in the transition it makes from the heater to the air conditioner mode. This occurs, for example, when descending from the cool, sometimes very cold temperatures of the mountains, where heater operation is required, to the very warm exterior temperatures of the lower altitudes. To provide a smooth transition from heating mode to air conditioning mode, the system directs the air-conditioned air through defroster and heater outlets so that the switch to the cooled air will not be as abrupt as it would be otherwise. When a sufficient drop in in-car temperature is sensed by the system, it distributes the air through the normal air conditioning outlets into the passenger compartment. At the other end of the climate control temperature range, where the system must face the challenge of extremely low exterior temperatures, the heating mode is called upon. The electronic climate control system heater goes to work soon after engine startup. All that's required is that you select the operating mode and interior temperature you want. The 1982 Cadillac electronic climate control system continues to be one of the most sophisticated automotive environmental control systems ever offered. The garage door opener, an available option on all Cadillacs except Cimarron and commercial chassis, offers a variety of benefits to Cadillac owners. The driver can control as many as 3 existing or new garage door or gate opening systems through a 3-terminal solid-state transmitter with an indicator light that shows whether or not a signal is being transmitted. Inside the transmitter, there are 512 security codes from which you can select the one you want. This helps avoid accidental control of garage doors by another transmitter. If such problems should occur, the codes for the 3 channels can be changed. The transmitter housing, positioned within easy reach of the driver, provides convenient and secure mounting. It's stylishly incorporated in the sunshade support and dual spot map and courtesy light, providing what is obviously a Cadillac garage door opener system. The transmitter-receiver combination used in this system is designed to operate in parallel with existing garage door or gate opening systems, so there should be no incompatibility with existing electromechanical systems. The operating range is about 75 feet, line of sight between the transmitter and receiver. When the transmitted signal reaches the receiver, it will signal your system to open or close. The Cadillac receiver can be easily installed in just a few minutes by either yourself or a local garage door opener service company. Certain Cadillacs are pre-wired to accept the opener housing, making it possible for you to transfer your unit to any new Cadillac except Cimarron or commercial chassis. In addition to the 3-channel transmitter, garage receiver, and in-car transmitter housing, there is also a handheld power pack, which enables you to operate the transmitter when it is removed from the automobile by providing walk-around power that expands the garage door opener's range of use, its versatility, and the convenience it delivers. Easy to operate, easy to install, compatible with existing operating systems, the Cadillac garage door opener offers many benefits over and above the well-known convenience, comfort, and security of not having to get in and out of the car, especially when bad weather conditions are encountered. They're all important benefits. Take advantage of them in your Cadillac. The UniRoyal puncture sealing road tires are steel-belted radials available on all Cadillacs except the Fleetwood Limousine, Cimarron, Eldorado Touring Coupe, or Eldorado or Seville with touring suspension. Many drivers encounter situations where a tire tread puncture would seriously disrupt schedules and possibly place them in precarious traffic or inclement weather conditions. These tires provide the benefits of the steel-belted radial tire design with the added advantage of puncture sealing capability, which is designed to seal most punctures in the tread area caused by objects 3/16 of an inch or less in diameter. As the object is removed, the sealant adhering to its surfaces is drawn into the puncture, again sealing it and helping to maintain tire pressure and preventing the tire from going flat in 90% of these types of punctures. UniRoyal puncture sealing road tires help provide the comfort of mind when certain sharp objects can't be avoided or when an object is never seen. That's why you might want to consider having them on your Cadillac. The Cadillac Eldorado and Seville Touring Suspension Package is an available option offered on 1982 Cadillac Eldorados and Sevilles to help provide sportier handling, increased road feel characteristics, and related suspension performance characteristics for those Cadillac drivers desiring them. Utilizing increased spring and roll rates, overall ride and handling quality is given a stiffer, much more road-oriented feel, especially when combined with a higher feedback steering design that dramatically increases the steering feel and ride and roll response of Eldorado or Seville on the road. Now, add to all this the benefits of larger P225 70R15 steel-belted radial tires, which contribute substantially to the ride and handling feel. The higher level of road input, the feel of the road that is, for many drivers, an essential part of their driving pleasure. If you are a driver who likes the feel of your car on the road, the sense of your automobile that is communicated by impressive handling and steering, then drive an Eldorado or Seville, equipped with the available touring suspension now. In 1982, the memory seat is offered as an available option on all Cadillacs except Fleetwood Limousine, Cimarron, Eldorado Touring Coupe, and commercial chassis, providing the convenience of two memorized driver's side seat positions. Its benefits are many, including being able to avoid the frayed nerves that can result when a situation like this is repeated again and again, perhaps more than once in a single day, where drivers of significantly different body dimensions keep changing the driver's seat position every time another person drives the car, constantly causing you considerable irritation when you try to find where you had it the last time. The memory seat helps eliminate this problem. Once the desired seat position is found, it can be stored in the memory and recalled as required. The memorizing procedure is simple. The shift lever must be in neutral or park for the memory seat to be actuated. The memory seat controls are located in the driver's side door armrest. There is a set switch and two recall switches for position 1 and position 2. Use the 6-way power seat adjuster to obtain the desired seating position. This position is then recorded in the memory by depressing set and one of the numbered recall buttons. Once memorized, a seat position can be recalled exactly with the touch of one button. This instant memory provides additional comfort and convenience benefits, such as being able to enter or exit the car easily by moving the seat to its most rearward position, knowing that just the touch of a button will return it to the set position. The two-position convenience of this memory seat can soon erase the memories of legs bent or stretched, of favorite seat positions searched for but never found, of those husband to wife to husband changing driver rituals, which once were capable of disrupting not only driver comfort, but also the balance of marital harmony. The memory seat. If the Cadillac of your choice offers it as an available option, don't overlook what it can memorize for you.